So multiplying fractions, if I have a half multiplied by a quarter, what is my answer? Does anyone know? 2. It is 1/8, yes. So the method is to multiply the two numerators and the two denominators. So 1 times 1 gives 1, 2 times 4 gives 8. So it's very straightforward.
But dividing is different.
Dividing is the tricky one, yeah? Let's do another example. 2/3 multiplied by a fifth. 2 times 1, 3 times 5 is 15.
Oh, so you just times the top.
Just go straight lines. Yeah, it's really nice and simple. Okay? Sometimes the fractions... Sometimes we may need to simplify. So this would be 12 out of 56, but I can simplify this down. So I can divide, what number divides into both of these? 12 and 56? No, 2 will divide into both. That'll be 6 out of, what's 2 into 56? And then I could simplify again, I think, can't I? So divide numerator and denominator by the same number, I get 3/14. There's actually a way I could have done that. This is what I would call post-simplification. I could simplify at the question. Anyone see where I could simplify at the question here?
You don't have to divide by something. What you divide by?
Well, if I can see there's a common factor, but... All right, so how can I pre-simplify this? Simplify this before I multiply. Kiki? Okay. If I use the commutative property of multiplication, which is a fancy word for 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. If I use that to my advantage, if I change this multiplication into 4 over 8, multiplied by 3 over 7, so I just bring this 8 here and swap the 8 and the 7, I can see that 4 over 8 is simplified is just a half, yes? And a half times 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 7 is 14. So I could have done that first. Now I can also just, in its current position, I know that 4 over 8 is a half, so I can write it like that, because it doesn't matter what order. 1 times 3 gives 3, and 7 times 2 gives 14. Now if you are confused by that, do the post-simplification method. Just multiply and then simplify, if you prefer to do it that way. Okay, so that is multiplying fractions. Just multiply numerator times numerator, denominators times